Foot up and turn it in. That's very, very strong. Hold on, pushing down. Resist me. This one's also out. Okay, didn't expect that. Ready? Go. Big difference, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now the hip, we already know what's going on. We're just going to do the test anyways. We saw on the x-ray. Push up and out and pushing down and in. Go hard as you can, hard as you can, hard as you can. Push up and out. This one more time just to make sure. Up and out. Good. Up and out. Okay. And that's the side that you had the problems on anyways. Like I said, structurally, your hip looks fantastic. Literally fantastic. Okay. Push up and out. How'd that feel that time?
Amazing.
And you feel how much pressure I'm putting, right? It's not like I'm not putting enough pressure.